I just got my doll in the mail, and I'm nervous, but this is my doll. So this is 30 years in the making. Jesus Christ. I'm excited to see how this looks like. I've seen photos, but I haven't seen it in person yet. So you should feel my stomach right now. It's so low. Like it's in my ass. Ouch. Okay. So where's the thing? She shipped it back in the same box I sent it in, which is cool. But I'm glad there's some paper in here because I don't want to slice no faces or nothing. Okay. Ooh, I can't take it. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Oh God. Oh my God. You can see it through here, like. Ooh. Okay. Good thinking. She put a cup on here. I heard that, girl. Wow. Wow. Oh my God, I can't take it. Like, that's just amazing. Wow. I can't believe I have my own Barbie doll. Like, this is... Woo, I ain't gonna cry. I ain't gonna do it, girl. Y'all, look how amazingly detailed that. That is crazy. Like, are you serious? The eyes look so freaking real. Wow. Oh my God. Like, that shit is crazy. I got my own Barbie doll. Like, are you serious right now? I cannot be any happier. Like, this is a whole new plateau of excited. Like, this, my dreams are officially come true. I can't take it. Thank you so much, everybody. The painter who did this, thank you so much. Even my edges, y'all. Look at the edges. Y'all know I'm known for these edges. Y'all can't see that good on this camera. But Lord, this is truly a blessing beyond belief at this point, and I can't even... Woo! All right, there we go, people. It is official. So, I just wanted to share this experience because I can't take it. Bye.